Abba kept 8 of them and gave the last 10 to Daniel. How many biscuits did Jane eat?
St. Theresa's.
9.
No.
St. Charles.
18.
That's correct. Next question. The speed of a moving body determines how fast or slow the body moves. A body at high speed covers a long distance in a short time, but when the speed is low, it takes a longer time to cover a short distance. It's a long answer question. You have 35 seconds. It takes Mr. Santi 2 hours to ride his bike from Accra to his hometown, which is 40 kilometers from Accra. Riding at this same speed, how long will it take him to ride from his hometown to the nearest town, which is 30 kilometers away?
St. Charles.
35 kilometers per hour.
Oh no. How long will it take him?
St. Theresa's.
1 hour and 30 minutes.
That's correct. Next question. The idea of sharing is used to help explain division. When a quantity is shared equally between people or other entities, what you are calculating is how much a person or an entity gets. Short answer, you have 15 seconds. Sheila has 15 yards of ribbon for her gift boxes. Each box gets the same amount of ribbon. How much ribbon will each of her 20 gift boxes get?
St. Theresa's.
St. Theresa's.
We had 2100.
Pardon?
2100.
No.
Mary Madam.
1 whole number 1/3.
Time.
No. Okay, so it's 3/4 yards or 0.75 yards. Okay, so next question. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers or items that follow a particular pattern. Once the pattern in the first term of the sequence is known, the various terms in the sequence can be predicted with exact accuracy. Long answer, so you have 35 seconds. After Kwabna started getting his allowance, he decided to put some money down for savings. He put 20 Ghana cedis down for savings in January. He saved 40 Ghana cedis in February, 60 Ghana cedis in March, 80 Ghana cedis in April, and followed this pattern through to December. How much did he put down into savings in December?
St. Theresa's.
240 cedis.
That's correct. Next question. Fractions help to distribute and judge quantities and numbers easily and make calculation faster.
Please, madam, we can't get you.
You can't hear me.
Yes, please.
Fractions help to distribute and judge quantities and numbers easily and make calculation faster. We use fractions in our everyday life activities. For instance, the time we spend at school out of the 24 hours, the money we use to buy food out of the total money we have, etc. All these can be expressed as fractions. So this is short answer, you have 15 seconds. Ella has half a pizza left in the fridge. At breakfast, she ate 1/3 of it. What fraction of the original pizza does she have left for lunch?
St. Theresa's.
1/6 of it.
That's correct. Now to the last question of this half. Probability is a measure of the likelihood of an event to occur. Many events cannot be predicted with total certainty. We can predict only the chance of an event to occur, and we do this by the use of probability. Alice has a certain number of pegs in her pegs basket. 24 of them are red. 10 are blue, and the rest are yellow. If the probability of picking a blue peg at random is 20%, how many yellow pegs are in the basket?
Saint Teresa's.
500.
No.
50.
Pardon?
50.
No.
Saint Charles.
966.
No.
16.
Yes, that's correct. So that brings us to the end of the first half. Now we move to the second half. So now we move to the rapid fire. You have 60 seconds within which to attempt as many questions as you can. So, no, we've not started. Oh. Those are not the questions. When you are ready, you turn the sheet. So, relax. Okay. So, once I start reading the question and you have the answer, you can stop me and give me the answer. Now, if I finish reading the question and I move to the next question, so you can't take me back to answer till I'm done with the 8 questions. Are we okay? Are you ready? Please turn your sheet. Okay, so your time starts now. A square of length 2 centimeters is enlarged by a scale factor 4. Find the new area.
Pass.
Solve 1
Pass.
over 2. Factorize completely 4x raised to the power 2 plus 4x plus 1.
Pass.
How many 3/4 make 15?
Pass.
Make J the subject in T is equal to 2 pi square root of L over G.
Four pi square L out of T.
Come again.
4 pi square L out of T.
All.
Out of T.
Okay. All right.
Time.
No. Said 4 pi squared L all over T. That's what you said. So no. So none out of 8. So, Mary Mother of Good Counsel, same rules apply. So you can turn the sheet, and your time starts now. 1. Factorize completely 9y squared minus 12y plus 4.
Pass.
Change 192 hours to days.
7.
No. Make u the subject in v squared is equal to u squared plus
Square
280.
root u 280 minus v squared.
No. How many 2/3 make 60?
90.
Solve 1/3 minus 1/4, all divided by 3/4.
Pass.
A rectangle of length 5 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter is
60 centimeters squared.
that's correct. What is a sector of a circle?
Skip.
If 3/4 of y gives 0.12, find y.
Time.
0.16.
Okay, I'll give it to you. So 2 out of 8. Okay, so since Theresa, the same rules apply. You can turn your sheet now. Your time starts now. If 1/6 of z gives 0.015, find z.
Pass.
Solve 2/5 minus 1/4, all divided by 3/10.
Pass.
How many 3/5 makes 42?
Pass.
Make v the subject in s is equal to, into brackets, u plus v all over 2t.
Pass.
What is a circumference of a circle?
2 pi r.
No, define.
It refers to the total distance around the circle.
That's correct. Factorize completely 25z squared minus 10z plus 1.
Pass.
Change 2 weeks to hours.
336 hours.
That's correct.
Time.
So 2 out of 8. So 2 minutes for the coaches. And then if there are any substitutions. We have substitutions. For St. Charles, Kumasi is going out and we have Amanda Ruth coming in. For St. Theresa's, Monica is coming in and then Clifford is going out. For Mary Mother of God Counsel, Nana Joy is going out and then Jacob Sylvie is coming in.